IRS guidelines you must know before a 457B Gold IRA transfer. Making a smart retirement decision starts with understanding the IRS guidelines you must know before a 457B Gold IRA transfer. With market uncertainty and inflation concerns, many retirees look to gold for stability. A 457B to Gold IRA rollover can help diversify and protect long-term savings, but only if it's done correctly. Knowing the rules upfront helps you avoid taxes, penalties, and costly mistakes. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Eligibility rules for a 457B Gold IRA transfer. You can't move funds freely from a 457B at any time. The IRS allows rollovers only if you separate from your employer. Your plan allows in-service distributions. You meet your plan's qualifying age rules. Trying to transfer funds without eligibility may trigger taxes or rejection. 2. Direct versus indirect rollover. There are two IRS-approved rollover methods. Direct rollover, recommended, funds move directly from the 457B to your Gold IRA custodian. No taxes withheld. No penalties. No 60-day deadline. Indirect rollover, risky, funds are sent to you first. 20% tax withholding. 60-day deadline. Missed deadlines cause taxable income. 3. IRS-approved gold requirements. Not all gold qualifies for a Gold IRA. IRS rules require gold purity of at least 99.5%. Approved bullion bars or coins only. No collectible or rare coins. Using unapproved metals can disqualify the account. 4. Storage rules you must follow. The IRS requires gold to be stored in an approved depository. You cannot store IRA gold at home, in a safe, or in a bank box. 5. Taxes, penalties, and RMDs, after moving funds into an IRA. Withdrawals before age 59 and a half may face penalties. Required minimum distributions, RMDs, begin at age 73. RMDs cannot be rolled over. Planning ahead helps avoid forced gold sales. Understanding the IRS guidelines you must know before a 457B Gold IRA transfer is essential for protecting your retirement savings. By following eligibility rules, choosing a direct rollover, using approved metals, and working with an IRS-approved custodian, you can complete a smooth and compliant 457B to Gold IRA rollover. This careful approach helps strengthen your retirement with physical assets designed for long-term stability and peace of mind. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.